It's beautiful.
like during the time of USSR.
Okay, so this is very authentic then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you see,
Not the smell.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can smell that.
even the smell of USSR.
My mate reckons you can still smell the Soviet Union here, and after a day in these markets, I think he might be right. This is where Belarus feeds itself, and where it quietly sells off what's left of a country that no longer exists. First stop, Komarovka, Minsk's main food market, going since the 1800s. That dome it's all under is a bit of a marvel. Built in 1980, no internal pillars, and supposedly the only building of its kind in Europe. On a normal day, 50 to 60,000 people come through here. Before the holidays, double it. Because despite all the shiny malls in Minsk, this is where the locals still actually shop. Out the front, as you can see, it's a wall of produce. Every fruit, every berry, every vegetable you can think of. Here's something that stopped me though. Everything sold here gets tested in a lab on site, not just for the usual stuff, but for radiation. Because when Chernobyl went up just over the border, Belarus caught most of the fallout. 40 years on, they're still checking the mushrooms. Now there's something about buying flowers for women, isn't there? If you buy an odd number or an even number?
Flowers
Yeah. For girlfriends?
for girlfriends, the quantity has to be like 3 or 5.
Okay, odd. No.
Odd. Yeah.
Yep. 3, 5, 7, 9.
Yeah.
And so if I bought 4, what does that mean?
Means that you are going to a cemetery.
Okay.
Or you desire a death for this girl.
Okay.
It's everywhere in Ukraine, Russia, and Belarus. And in your country, it's not the same thing?
No. We don't have anything like that, mate. Inside is the serious business. Rows of meat, whole rabbits hanging up, and a fish selection that turns into a history lesson.
Oh yeah, it's only for you. When I was a small boy, one of my uncle were working in Azerbaijan. He has given us very often 3 liters of black caviar.
Oh wow, that's a lot.
Imagine.
Yeah.
This black caviar is from Astrakhan, it's Russia.
Oh,
Идет
okay.
дикий айсетр, замечательно, 100 грамм. Ну, там ограниченное количество.
Do you know this fish?
This one, like an eel.
This fish.
This one.
Yes. It's what?
Is it the sturgeon or something?
No, it's not sturgeon.
No.
Well, it's a fish and eel.
An eel, yeah. It is listed in the Red Book of Belarus and is forbidden to catch. However, some fish farms are permitted to... Okay. Oh, right. Okay. So that's quite hard to find then.
Huh?
Hard to find.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very rare.
Yeah. Wow.
And
Okay.
It lives only the biggest lake of Belarus, Naroch.
Naroch. Oh, what are these? Oh, that's bread. Massive piece of bread.
Yes.
It's like the size of a turtle.
Yeah. Bread of our governmental factory.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
We have many bread factories in Minsk.
Some dessert.
So Indian spices are
Fish curry, mutton biryani.
very good. Also, I remember this fucking green was very good.
Yeah. More diarrhea in the morning.
Huh?
Diarrhea in the morning.
But in the morning it's
Every
it's
time.
sure.
Каждый день.
Каждый день. Every morning, каждое утро.
Каждое утро. Да.
Asia spices. Korea, China, Japan, Thailand, Vietnam. Xin chào.
Ciao.
Vietnam?
Yeah. You can look in what do you want? Tell me, please. Okay. We have many things.
Oh yeah.
So you can ask
Whatever.
me.
Okay. Thank you.
And you speak better English or Russian?
Correct English.
English. You speak better than Russian?
Yes.
Okay. So let's speak in English.
Okay.
You are so beautiful.
Thank you. Dân tộc ở đâu?
So we will sit every morning, yeah?
Dân tộc ở đâu?
Yes, we will.
Ở đâu gì có?
Looks
Looks good.
good.
Looks yum. Yeah.
Not expensive, only 20 rubles.
20 ruble.
My husband is Belarus.
Ah.
It's Belarusian?
Wow.
It's good.
We are meeting in Vietnam. Before him working embassy Belarus in Vietnam.
Right.
We're meeting together and I born my son, the first son in Vietnam, and then after that we are go to here.
You come here.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So we can live together right now 25 years.
25?
Oh, wow. Congratulations.
Thank you for that. I want to present for you one lychee from Vietnam. And you
Ah,
also,
Vietnamese
I can open,
lychee.
yeah. So fresh. Just
Yeah.
coming, yeah. You can
Wow.
open and this. Oh, this great. Him can speak one word Vietnamese.
Thank you.
Come on.
Cảm ơn. Sweet from
Oh.
Chinese also. Let's try.
Oh, thank you.
Come on.
Cảm ơn. Very nice and very tasty and sweet and so this.
Ah, mango.
No,
Oh,
peach.
peach.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
So I'm will be discount for you today. 35.
Okay.
Yes.
Cash.
1 minute.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Have a
You're
nice
amazing.
day.
Thank you.
Well,
See you next time,
see
beauty.
you next time.
Thank you.
Bye.
The next day, Elise took me somewhere very different. If Komarovka is where Belarus buys its dinner, then this is where it sells off its past. A second-hand market, its fold-up tables groaning with the leftovers of the Soviet Union. We didn't have all that long, but this is my favourite kind of place to be on Earth.
I was here for the last time many years ago.
Oh, yeah.
Because
It's been a while.
all time, or I drink or I work.
Ah, you don't have a weekend, Elise.
No,
No.
unfortunately. With my father it's impossible.
Ah. The family business. Oh. He's got a whole folder full. Oh. Same energy as the flea markets I hunted through in Uzbekistan. A dead empire laid out on a trestle table. Some of it junk, some of it history, all of it for sale. What I really wanted was an old Soviet watch. The USSR churned out millions of them, and they're properly collectible now. The catch is the same as the medals I found in Tashkent. A lot of what's on these tables is cobbled together from spare parts or just simply fake. Buyer beware. Do you think if I was to buy something they would rip me off? They would want too much money?
Sometimes
Yeah.
they can lie.
They can lie. Yeah, okay. This seller had a proper spread, so with Elise translating, we went through them. Mechanical, not quartz, the good kind, the kind you wind by hand. A pocket watch, like a Soviet pocket watch would be pretty cool.
Yes.
Would there be one that's like real or legitimate?
Real, but I don't think that they are very old.
Ну, подумайте, так, не спешите. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
Hello, sir. How are you this morning?
Ich spreche Deutsch. Spreche Deutsch.
Ah,
Yes,
you're
yes,
the
okay.
German man.
Yes, okay, yes, okay. Mechanik und Quartz.
Mm-hmm.
Electronic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This one even ticked off the seconds from his own collection, he reckoned. And the price was genuinely cheap. Whether every part of it is original, that's the gamble you take. Elise's advice was to keep my wits about me. A foreigner with a camera is exactly the bloke who gets quoted the special price. Fair enough.
Будет все честно. Если ему интересно, это секундомеры, ну по 50 рублей, они окей.
To measure the seconds.
Sorry?
To measure the seconds.
Yeah.
Это есть окей.
He said that they are from
No.
collection.
Сибирия, Урал.
From
Ah.
Siberia.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Тоже механик.
Okay.
По 100 рублей.
100 rubles.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, I would say that that's cheap.
Механика. Вот
А?
автоподбор.
I would say that that's cheap. And this is why I travel with a mate rather than a guide. Elise thinks I'm slightly mad for getting this excited about a box of old watches, told me flat out that he has no advice to offer. It's my obsession, not his. But he stood there and let me geek out anyway. That's friendship. I love this shit, man. I love it. I know that you're just like, why the fuck would you like that?
I love another shit.